Hey guys and gals, Sweet Scoots here, and I wanted to give you an update. It has been 20 months. March 24th of 2024, I lowered my street glide, and I wanted to give you an update on whether I am happy that I did it or if it's been more of a pain. So let me share that with you right now. I lowered it 3 inches. And I will say this right now, if you're planning on doing it, Julio, tell everybody where all the tools are.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción del video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio, Cesar, Chavez, Rodriguez, Jorge, Johnson, Thompson. If you're planning on doing this, you will not regret it. I absolutely love it. I think it looks awesome. It's not like a California custom by any means, but it is a beautiful look, and I like being a little bit closer to the ground. I go over speed bumps slow. I have not had any problems. Wife can ride on the back, no problems. It has worked out well. 20 months, and I am very excited to say that you will be happy with it if you lower your bike using the kit shown in the tools list. So that's my update, and I hope you like it. Now's the time of the year to get your bike detailed out. We've got a bunch of videos coming out for those of you that have a man cave or a heated garage where you can work on your bike through the winter months. As we always say, don't be a schmuckle. Sweet Scoots out.